Hello people, welcome to my channel, The Parallel Universe. Today I'm gonna talk about the 369 manifestation technique. So let me start by introducing the Serbian-American inventor Nikola Tesla. Tesla famed for not only his inventions such as remote control induction motor and the Tesla coil, but also his spiritual enlightenment. Noted the numbers 3, 6 and 9 as being divine numbers and was quoted saying, "If you knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6 and 9, you have the key to the universe." He felt that these three numbers held great significance in the universe, nature and the human blueprint. It is said that number 3 is a direct link to the universe, while the number 6 represents the strength we have in ourselves, and the number 9 helps to release feelings of negativity. Tesla was also quoted as saying, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency and vibration, which are the three key ingredients we use when manifesting." So I'm gonna tell you the exact steps that you need to follow in the 369 manifestation technique. Step 1. Decide your manifestation. First things first, you're gonna do this technique for the next 33 days or 45 days as per your convenience. If you do this technique for 33 days, then you will get the power of 6. That means 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and if you do this technique for 45 days, then you will get the power of 9, which means 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So it's up to you whether you want to do it for 33 days or 45 days. Once you have decided the days, then grab your journal and pen. There is real power in taking pen to paper, so I would suggest writing this rather than typing away on a laptop or a phone. So we are going to begin the process by thinking of one manifestation that lasts for 17 seconds, usually around 2 sentences long. But why 17 seconds? Well, I have already told about the 17 seconds manifestation rule in my other video. You can go and check out that. The link is given in the description. Also, you can press the I button to watch the video. So let's come to the question, what could your manifestation be? The answer to this depends on what you want to manifest in your life. It can be anything that you want, whether it's money, love, success, or a new job. Once you have decided what you are going to manifest, remember 17 seconds is around the time it takes to write 2 sentences, and align your words to the energy you want to attract and amplify. It is the time to start first day of the 369 manifestation method. Step 2. Journal 3 times in the morning. Every morning as soon as you wake up, take your journal and pen and you have to write your 17 seconds long manifestation 3 times. One thing I want to add on is that focus on the feeling of having the thing that you want to attract. You have to imagine and feel good about your manifestation. Once you have done, now you have to release your desire and trust the timings of the divine universe. There shouldn't be sense of lack or desperation. You don't have to hold on to your manifestation and just start your day. The next step is step number 3. Journal 6 times at midday. The next step is midway through the day, perhaps on your lunch or whenever you are free. Take out your journal again and write the same manifestation 6 times. This time also you have to follow the same procedure as before. You need to immerse yourself in energy of how it will feel visualizing yourself being with your desire. Again, release and move on with your day. Step number 4. The last and the final step is to write your desire 9 times before going to bed. Finally, before your bedtime, take your journal and write your high vibe manifestation, this time 9 times. You have to follow the exact same method that you have followed throughout your day. The initial 3 scripts were to set the intention to the universe, the following 6 were to amplify them, and the final 9 are to assure you that they are already yours. By understanding and utilizing the power of 369 manifestation method alongside Abraham Hicks readings on the power of 17 seconds and energy alignment, it is no wonder this technique has proved so incredibly powerful for so many people. Follow this 369 method and see what magic occurs in your life. Well, that's it for today. Thank you people for watching this video, and if you really find this video helpful, then go and like it right now and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the latest updates.